studying back home, it's like more textbook kind of thing. You learn from the textbook, you give exams on the textbook. But here you do a lot more practical things. You do oral presentations, you give assessments on real life case studies. It's a bit different, and I would say it's a lot more fun.
Last semester, I got the opportunity to work an industry project with NAB. In that particular case study where we got the opportunity to act to a farm-to-table business and come with AI-based sustainable solutions.
We do a lot of real life case studies. Some of the few case studies we did was on like water cases where people couldn't drink safe water. The communities in Bangladesh, they also face like similar problems. That connected me.
At latrobe, because of my academic achievements and support from my mentor, I have been selected to become the business data analyst intern at Banjul City Council. At this placement, I got the opportunity to leverage what I have learned at latrobe.
Currently, I'm doing a placement at Mind Blowing Films, which is Indian Film Festival, and Latrobe been partnered with Mind Blowing Films for 16 years now. There, as a marketing intern, I'm doing social media campaigns, applying my Tableau skills to figure out dashboards and how many people are coming to watch movies.